Glam Fam, it's Quita here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my natural hair journey. In January I will be 4 years natural, and I just did a video on this look, and I know some people be like, girl, what happened now? You just uploaded a video and a picture on Instagram saying your hair was down here. What happened to your hair? Why is it short now? Or shorter now, I will say. So let me tell y'all just a quick story about my hair, as well as I'm going to include pictures, things, and just things that I've learned along the way. So anyway, y'all, when I first started, I watched so many videos on YouTube. Honestly, it can get confusing, like all the information that you're getting on YouTube. However, I watched How to Big Chop like Jesus weeks, and it was just itching me, and I'm like, okay, I'm about to big chop. So when I big chop, I did it by myself in my bathroom. And honestly, when I cut my hair, it wasn't a science to it. I did literally just cut my hair wherever the the transition was ending from natural to relaxed. So honestly, after that, I should have, after I just did it myself to experiment, whatever the case may be, I should have went to a professional and got my hair done. Got my hair cut professionally, but I didn't. Okay, mistake. So anyway, after that, I started to wear my hair in wigs, and I seen this like on The Truth About Being Natural or something like that. My texture was not what I expected it to be at all. And it's so crazy because when I first told my mom that I was going natural, she was like, okay. And I'm like, why you saying that? I ain't got no bad hair. She's like, nah, you ain't got no bad hair, but okay. And when I cut my hair, I was definitely surprised because my hair wasn't what I thought it would be. And I literally don't let anybody see these pictures from when I big chopped my hair, because I looked a mess. But I'm gonna insert them for y'all. After that, my hair was too short to really twist. So what I was doing is I would wash day. I would have wash day every Sunday, and damn it, I really hope that air conditioner wasn't distracting. Let's see. As I was saying, when I first started my natural hair journey, I didn't like the texture of my hair, so it was just easier for me to throw on a wig. On wash day, what I would do, I would just pre-poo my hair, and then I would co-wash my hair, and then I would condition my hair. And that's what I did, because at the time it was so big for you not to shampoo your hair, only shampoo your hair once a month, all this stuff, blah blah blah. So I wasn't really shampooing my hair. I would pre-poo, co-wash, deep condition, and then I would go on with my oils and leave-in conditioner, things of that nature. So once my hair started growing, I'm not even gonna lie, my hair did start growing pretty quickly. And once my hair started growing, from there I was able to start braiding my hair and putting it under my wig. However, over time I noticed that my hair actually did better with plaits instead of braids, because I was experiencing breakage whenever I was washing my hair, taking down my braids, I'm sorry. So from there, I was doing plaits. Then I noticed, like, dang, my hair's still breaking. It's still breaking. So let me go ahead and I'm just going to do twists, because I noticed that my hair was doing holding up twists much better under my wigs. And when I was taking down my hair, which was again every week to do wash day, it wasn't really shedding that much. So from there, I went ahead and I just started wearing twists under my wigs. I would do smaller twists under my wigs because my hair is so thick. The small twists held better under my wigs. Now, again, my hair was growing pretty good at this rate. However, this is where I start messing up. It first started off because it was some type of event coming up or something, and I wanted my hair slayed. And at the time, this was like a few years back, couple of years back, where people wasn't really slaying closures and lace frontals and stuff like that. They was doing them, but they wasn't slaying them, at least not in my area. I didn't know anyone here that was doing that. So I was like, man, I'm gonna get a relaxer, but I'm gonna put it on my leave out just for a short amount of time, then I'm gonna take it off. Bad idea. I left that relaxer on for 7 minutes. Even though it wasn't long, it straightened my hair enough where I was able to wear my leave out with my sew-in, and it was just fine. However, when I took out my sew-in compared to my other really curly hair, you could tell that something had happened to my leave out portion. So that was big mistake number one. Big mistake number two is I started to get too relaxed with my hair. I saw it was growing, so I wasn't really putting in the effort as I needed to. So I was doing like crochet styles. I was leaving them up for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks at a time, depending on what type of crochet style it was. If I was doing wigs, instead of doing my small twist that I was doing at the beginning, you know, that I was refreshing and just running oils and moisturizer throughout the week or at night when I took off my wig, instead of doing that, I was literally wearing 4 big twists under my wigs. That was it. So literally my edges, nothing was secure. Just after a while, of course, because you have to, I feel like if you are going to do 4 big twists, you definitely need to do those overnight. Every night you need to moisturize and oil down your twists every night if you're going to do that. But anyway, I was getting relaxed and I wasn't doing it. And honestly, I think that's really what messed up my hair. I continued on with my protective styling and things of that nature because I was doing, because I hadn't really mastered my hair yet. And I still am learning my hair. So you guys get to see that with me on my YouTube channel. But it was just like if I did try to do a wash and go or something, my first issue was that my hair was never, ever, ever dry in time of me having to go somewhere. So that resulted into me always doing puffs. So the second thing is that I was not shampooing my hair how I should have been. So my curl pattern wasn't able to actually pop. So all this time, I really was just doing the wrong things, and that's why I could not fall in love with my hair, because I wasn't providing my hair with its fullest potential. Anyway, so as of now, I am on a healthy hair journey. If I could say anything I recommend, anything is to find someone to cut your hair. Find someone to cut your hair. With me not originally being from my city, I was always so nervous about booking someone. But honey, you got to get over that fear. You got to get over that fear, because my hair could have been so long right now. But because I was so scared to let someone cut my hair that I didn't know and didn't know their reputation of, didn't know their rep or whatever, I just kept going along with my hair, snipping it here and there, snipping my little curls as I see, as I seen fit. But it really wasn't helping my hair at all. Okay, so get somebody to cut your hair. Do not start neglecting your hair. Do your hair every single week. If you're having a protective style, I would say leave it up at the most every 2 weeks. For 2 weeks. And even then, make sure that you're moisturizing your hair in between time. No heat, of course, that's a given. I wasn't blow drying my hair after I washed it. I wasn't flat ironing my hair, nothing of that nature. So no heat definitely helps grow your hair as well. And y'all, another thing that messed me up is that, and you'll see it because I'm going to insert another picture. So another thing here that messed me up was that instead of me looking in the mirror, my friend had did my hair. And instead of me looking in the mirror, seeing what braid pattern she did, things of that nature, I didn't. And so I chopped off 2 big locks of my hair. And it was just horrible. It was horrible. So Anyway, I tried to get my hair flat iron one time before by my friend, and it didn't work out. It was humid. It was, spring. It just didn't work out. So, like last week, I was like, oh, it's winter time. I understand now that with me being in the South, it's been in the winter. I need to just, get my hair flat ironed in the wintertime. My hair is so long. I didn't show everybody on social media my hair is so long. I know my hair is so long, right? I'm about to slay this silk press. Okay, y'all. So what I did not know was that all this time of me neglecting my hair, of me not letting my hair get cut, it messed up my hair so bad. So, like I said, I done permed my hair, right? The leave out was on this side. I've been chopping that off slowly. I've got hair that I've cut off by mistake. And then on top of that, I haven't gotten my hair cut. So it's literally just falling. Like, my hair was breaking so bad. I was looking forward to getting my hair cut. I didn't know I was going to have to get it cut that much. However, I'm so happy that my hair is healthy right now because I know what to do. You know what I'm saying? I done messed it up. I did good for 2 years, messed it up for 2 years. Like, I know what to do. Like, I can grow my hair. It's just hair. Ladies, if you're worried about letting that length go, let it go. It don't mean nothing if it's scraggly, if it's breaking, none of that. Let it go. It's cool. It's just hair. It's gonna grow as long as you take care of it. But yeah, y'all, I hope this was a quick video. I hope I didn't ramble too much. I just wanted to let y'all know what's going on with my hair, what's been going on with my hair. And, you know what I'm saying? Like, again, just give y'all, like, a few tips that I've learned because I've tried. I watch YouTube so much. I've tried pretty much everything, and everything doesn't work. So, yeah, but that's a whole nother video. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you do not want to miss any of my upcoming uploads. I do hair, beauty, DIY, you name it, I can do it. But anyway, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.